Hi everyone, I'm redoing my ACC system feedback discussion. Um, Here's the background information that I previously discussed on my case study student. He's a 10-year-old boy with autism, so he's in the fourth grade. He is verbal and has the capability to read, but he often displays off-task behaviors in the form of failure to respond to prompt cues and complete activities, tasks, follow instructions or directions, or transition from one activity to a next environment. He wanders around the classroom. He often rocks or sits in one spot and has inappropriate verbal outbursts. Um, in severe cases, the behavior may take on the topography of physical aggression when prompted to complete tasks. Activities follow task activities follow instructions or directions or transition from one activity to the next or environment. He also has difficulty with reading comprehensions or understanding written text. So the book that I selected for my literacy assignment is James and the Giant Peach. It is a fantasy children's book written by Roald Dahl. I selected this book because it was one of my favorites coming up as a kid, and it has a lot of adventure and may assist the student in remaining engaged and on task. Prior to completing the book, the student and I will have a sit down and we'll draft up a contract um, that's lists specific things towards the lesson plan. The student may also have opportunity to let me know what he is interested in accomplishment. So initially I had a electronic board here, but instead I did a communication choice board. So the student will be given this choice board um, while reading the book, and he'll be looking for these main topics when completing reading the book. So as he goes through, he'll list the characters, he'll describe the setting of the story and some of the main ideas and some of the problem solving in sequence. So what happened first, and then what happened, and then the last part of the story. And then he'll do inferring. So he would have to tell me how the story made him feel. And do he feel like, does the character felt the same? Does he feel like the character felt the same way? And what clues in the book led him to believe that? So he'll also have a section on connecting and his opinion. So this section more so is like reflection. These last parts are like the reflection section. So he'll connect with some of the characters and, some of the things that he felt, are similar to him. And then he'll give me a brief summary of one section of the book that was most important to him. And then he'll have a section with his final thoughts, like a journal entry. And that is my communication board. Thank you for watching.